So it's probably the last one, I think. Probably is. Anyway, we're going to some the fishing boats here that like Smoker. These are the ones that people that really want to fish in Minnesota that want to enjoy themselves get these kind of boats. So here we are, Starcraft. These are kind of cool. Camouflage up the yin yang. Very nice. Now, those party barges in the last video had any price on them. Maybe they're free. I don't know. Oh, this little bad boy. Huh. Kind of like a beta cock, as they call it. Looks like it's old. I mean, but it's kind of cool. But I mean, what do they want for it? Interesting. On a small lake, easy to pull. Yeah, I get it. You know what I'm saying? I get it. Something small. Got a nice one. These are real fishermen. I don't like the party barges. I have my cabin. You know, my family takes it out more than I do. But party barges open. The ones over here, I like the open. I have a grill on the end of it. Go out there, and you can fish on it. My brother-in-law's blind. You can walk around on it without falling in. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
You can urinate off the side you want, you know?
Yep.
There you go. So as you can tell, that's some more fisherman stuff. Yeah, Starcraft is a classic boat stuff. $47, $50, like 50 grand, tax the whole 9 yards, kind of nice. So, kind of a small one right here too as well. Bigger Starcraft. 85 grand, give or take. Now you get some bigger ones over here. These suckers are pretty big. Here's a big party barge, 76,000. Brainerd.
Unless it's your own.
Oh, goodness. It's a big dog. Nice. Well, you got some big ones over there too as well. Oh. You got some big dogs up there. Look at that sucker. $100,000, this bad boy, without the trailer. Got some small ones over there. Party barge. Got a couple. There you go. Go down here. Walk down the stairs. I'm killing myself. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
No problem.
Yeah, feel free to take a look.
Now we're gonna do some big dogs up here. These are the
And some people do that.
there's music up here. I don't want to go up there. I don't want to go up there. There's music up there. But there you go. I can hear it. I don't want to hear it. It's kind of a cool color scheme. I kind of like it. That weird brown, but it's got a variety. Cool. We got some more party barges over here. brown. Oh, kind of a weird brown to it. $31,000. This is more. It's got to be more secure. Some old man's gonna fall in that son of a bitch. Yeah. Kind of a. Let's cruise on. We don't want the music to get around it too much, because then they can hear it. Oh, let's get over here. Oh, let's cruise on over here. So you can see this more cool little stuff. They have docks. They got all kinds of stuff here. So you name it, they've got it for the boat people. That's what they've got. So I'm gonna cruise over here. Look at something. I want to end this video in this whole fiasco of adventure here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I've had fun. A little tiring walking around, but it is what it is. So let's walk over here. Yeah. These are kind of cool. Hurricane. These are some nice ones. Look at that bad boy. Nice. Tahoe.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Oh, you know, I see brown is in this year, man.
Yeah.
These, some of the darker ones look a little weird, but
First tones are coming back.
what?
First tones are coming back.
Let's see. Oh my God, look at this orange one. He's stalking me. He's following me. Look at this ugly. Oh my God.
Do you guys have any questions on anything?
That's ugly. That's ugly.
Just holler.
Sorry. That's ugly. Hello.
Hi.
Anyways, you can see there's more over there. I got those already anyways, but yeah, I pretty much got what I need to see. A lot of party barges and everything else. That brown is one ugly. Sorry. See if we can get on over there real quick. Go see it's over there on this last run through. Tomorrow this place will be effing packed, so I'm glad I got it done today. Tomorrow's gonna be nuts. This place will be full of people and more harder to video. So let's go over here. Look at some of these other ones here. How's it going, guys?
How are you?
Well, you know, looking at the expensive boats. 31,000. You take trades, I bet you do. Well, I get a gift card after spending $31,000. Nice. Easy payments. Over 3 months, year round, you know you're not using it. Huh. I already got those Starcraft, I believe, so as you can see. But yeah, I had fun. After a while, you can only show so much. Hope you enjoyed the boat show 2025. So, yeah. take some pictures, move on something more substantial. So, happy August. Got September coming up and 2025. See if you want. So, all right, guys. We'll talk later. Ciao.